Welcome to this guide on how to view all files in a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC, using the latest update. If you've ever needed to quickly access shared files in a conversation, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to navigate through your chats. Once you're in, scroll through your conversations and find the specific chat where you want to view the shared files. This could be a chat with friends, family, or even a work group. Click on the chat to open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see the name of the chat or contact. Click on this name. It's usually highlighted or displayed prominently. This action will open the Contact Information panel, where you can manage various settings and view details about that particular conversation. In the Contact Info panel, look for an option labeled Files. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a section that displays all the files shared in this chat. This includes documents, images, videos, and other media types. If you're specifically looking for documents, there may be an option to filter by docs within this section. Selecting it will narrow down the results to only show shared documents, and that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily access all shared files in any WhatsApp chat on your PC. This feature is perfect for staying organized and quickly locating important files without scrolling endlessly through messages. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share this video with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier.